entrepreneur, business people, traveler, technician, this is your channel, Foku Media. Guys, welcome. I'm going to be walking close to University of Johannesburg. I'm going to Auckland Park and then I'll visit Melville with you guys. From Brixton, I'll be going to Auckland Park. As you can see here, guys, the tree around the fence, it makes just the view beautiful.
Right? Black.
Yes. How are you doing? Have you been watching my video?
I did.
Oh, how you see?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, cool.
It's very, very beautiful.
Thank you.
Informative.
All right, thanks. All right. Yeah, that's one of my friends. I just met him now. He's one of my fans. He actually liked my video. Guys, I like walking around. If you want to know any environment, you have to go around. When you are driving, you cannot actually see what is going on. But believe me, if you walk by foot, you'll definitely see what is going on. Yeah. So guys, this is the university. As you can see, the car parking there. This is actually the university. Check this scenario, guys. Check. I don't know what is going on there. UJ. We used to call it Rao. It's actually UJ today. Before the name was actually more Afrikaners, but today is UJ, English, University of Johannesburg. One of the entrance of the university. But today I'm not going there. I'll actually be going to Auckland Park. Up there was Brixton. So now I'm in Auckland Park. Gate number 2 of UJ. Gate number 2 of UJ. Here is still the fence of UJ, the university, okay? I'm still actually going around the University of Johannesburg. The university. Further down there is the campus square. Campus square in my right there. And this way we're going to another entrance of a university. So actually this is another way if you are going to the UJ. So we are not going that side. We'll be going to campus square, a student mall, where you can get some product of the first necessity. So as you can see here, so I'll be crossing the road. I guess because of a load shedding, that's why the robot is not working at the moment. So we are facing this eating of load shedding. So I'm going to be rushing so that I can cross the road. Yeah, there's a bus here coming. This is a Ravaya bus for a public transport. This one is look nice, nice counter. Lifestyle. So this is a campus square. And we got just behind me here, we got McDonald's. So this place you can eat anytime when you want. So yeah, get yourself S1 McDonald's. This place we call Melville after Oakland Park, after Campus Square. We are actually here in Melville. This place used to be a post office. This used to be we got Mexican restaurant, Mexican chicken. It's made here. This place used to be very busy at nights because we got a lot of restaurant somewhere in this site. I'm gonna be going there, and we're going to be going there. Yeah, guys, this place used to be Nando's. This place used to be Nando's. Yeah, this place used to be Nando's. Nando's used to be this place, and there used to be FNB. FNB used to be there, but today it's now cash converter. Cash converter. So unexpected. Guys, this is a Melville. For those who doesn't know, this road is actually the start of Base Nodier down there, going to Cresta Mall, but we are not going there today. Walking on the streets. Walking. I need to cross the road, guys. Shop are closing. Something's going on. Guys, I'm actually going back to Oakland Park. Right now I'm at the other side of Campus Square. As you can see, the Campus Square building is this one here. You see the symbol of APSA there. And yeah, this is another entrance there going to Campus Square. So after this robot in front of me, we'll be actually in Oakland Park. I'm just trying to cross the road fast. Just trying to force my roads here. Most of the place here is student accommodation because we are still close to the university, to UJ University here. That's why. It's a Kingway place. Guys, this is the SABC. SABC, the television. Radio is from here. SABC 1, SABC 2, SABC 3 is from here. So They broadcast it from here actually, in Auckland Park. How are you, bro? Right. Good. So, yeah, guys, this content was be asking from one of you guys that I have to showcase the SABC, the environment, how it looked like. That's why we actually start from Brixton to passing by UJ. We went to Campus Square, Melville. From Melville, we are now back to Auckland Park. Actually, this is what it is. Yeah, I'm very tired. Guys, if it's the first time in my channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that is a channel, is the channel of entrepreneur, channel of business people, channel of technician, channel of traveler. If you're interested to see the street life around the world, this is your channel to go. Yeah, my heart is beating. It's beating, guys. I'm going to reach that antenna called Syntex, the one far away there. I'll be reaching there. So my way is still long. Yeah, still very long. This is still SABC. This is the big hill. Guys, I actually managed to come to the Syntec Tower. As you can see, this is the Syntec Tower. The end of our video will be here on the leg of this tower. I appreciate a lot that you guys are watching this video. This is where we're going to end the video. Thank you for watching. Your channel is Foku Media. Subscribe at the end of the tower. The tower. The tower. There is the tower. The tower. Foku Media. Subscribe to Foku Media.